Migrating data from old Microsoft Works installations and have CVT files. These contain database conversion data from Microsoft Works. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Microsoft Works database converter files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted CVT files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. This file is associated with the discontinued Microsoft Works Office suite. Users typically encounter CVT files when trying to open an old Works database, WDB file, in a modern program like Microsoft Excel. The file is an intermediary format created by a converter utility to facilitate the data migration process. The CVT file is a temporary, proprietary binary format generated during a conversion process. Its design purpose is to act as a bridge, translating the specific record and field structure of the legacy Works database into a generic, tabular format that can be correctly interpreted and imported by Microsoft Excel. The CVT proprietary design mandates association with Microsoft Works from Microsoft Corporation. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows may show minimal previews, but full visibility requires compatible programs. To resolve the application failure, right-click your CVT file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Works and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If the CVT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, opening in Microsoft Works. If you have Microsoft Works installed, launch the database application and import the CVT file through the Database Open dialog. Works interprets the converter format and creates an accessible database from the contents, enabling continued use of legacy database content within the Works environment if available. Next, migrating to Access. Convert CVT files to Microsoft Access by first opening in Works, then exporting to a more universal format like CSV, or by direct import into Access if version compatibility allows. Access provides modern database functionality while supporting many legacy data sources for migration projects from discontinued Microsoft applications. Finally, using various developers' tools. Try opening CVT files in text editors to determine if portions are readable. Some converter formats include readable text or structured data revealing content, even without specific software. For purely binary CVT files, specialized data recovery services may help extract data when original software is unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.